Hai, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nabahan. Biasa gila. Hai, and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nabahan bin Muhammad Buzar.
And my name is Muhammad Syafiq bin Rizwan.
We from KKTM Petaling Jaya, and we will present to you about sensor.
And about microcontroller.
Alright.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Syafiq. So today I will give the explanation about the microcontroller. So here, what is a microcontroller? A controller is that can be programmed to perform set of function of control collection electronic device. So that simple that we call that IC. So that can serve content system which processor support memory and input output. Okay, as you can see here, so I'll give the introduction to microcontroller here. So in the short form, we call the MCU. Microcontroller is small computer, a single integrated circuit. So here, that combines with the peripheral device such as memories and input-output device and timer. Alright, let's go there. As you can see here, this is the flash in the microcontroller. We can got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7 component, timer, SPI, SCI, KBI and IIC. Also have HCS 08 core. Okay, here this is the RAMs, 4K RAMs, AATD, PMC and ICG also have here. Okay, we go next. So we get the difference about the microcontroller as a microprocessor. That's a different things, as you know, okay. As a microcontroller is small computer on the single core, and microprocessor is a CPU on the single integrated circuits. That's a different things. Okay, so here in the microcontroller, so the based on the microcontroller, we can got the oscillator, converter, and the microprocessor here, RAMs, and program memories. Okay, so here the chart, as you can see, we got the 4 until the 32 bits embedded external. Okay, so this is before we get that, these brands Intel, ASML, Dallas, Philips. So that's the behind the functions. You can get a memory device, instruction set, memory iterator. Okay, I'll get to mention that later. Okay, so here we got, just like I said, we have two different things, input and output, but it's the same, still the same functions on the microcontroller. So in the input device, as examples, we get the keyboard, mouse, the anti-portable device, and to just be like use at VR player. You know the VR player, so we use this one. So this is the speech also. So in the output device, we get the monitor here, projector, and other display. So here this is a VR player. Okay, and this one is speaker audio outputs. Okay, thank you.
Okay, then we will go to my part. There is a sensor. Alright. What is sensor? A sensor is a device that detects and responds to some type of input from the physical environment. The input can be light, heat, moisture, pressure, or any number of other environmental phenomena. As you can see, this is a ultrasonic sound sensor, and the right sub at the right, you can see an LDR sensor. Okay, why are sensors used? A sensor is a device, module, machine or subsystem that detect event or changes in its environment and relay the information to other electronics. Most commonly, a computer processor. A sensor converts physical phenomena into a measurable digital signal, which can then be displayed, read or processed further. We go to the next part, is a types of sensor. There is got two types of sensor. There is a direct sensor and indirect sensor. Direct sensor is a sensor that can convert a non-electrical stimulus into an electrical signal with intermediate stage. For example, thermocouple, that is a temperature to voltage. Then we go to indirect sensor. Indirect sensor is a sensor that multiply conversion step to transform the measured signal into an electrical signal. Let's we move to the next part is a types of sensor. That's it, a lot of sensor they have built for this sensory. This that we got the ultrasonic module, human body sensor module, tilt sensor, photosensitive sensor, smoke sensor, infrared barrier sensor, vibration sensor, sound sensor, one pad size sensor, flame sensor, laser head sensor, clock module, super regenerative module, temperature, humidity sensor, raindrop sensor, and also the last part is a salt sensor. Okay, this I will explain more about the flame sensor. The first picture is show about a flame sensor. The flame sensor ensure that there's a burning flame inside your furnace. If this flame inside the burner assembly of a furnace goes out, unburned gas will escape from the heating system. This may then fill the house, which could result in carbon monoxide poisoning or even an explosion. The next part is the DHT 11 digital temperature and humidity sensor. It is a basic also ultra low cost digital temperature and humidity sensor. It used a capacity humidity sensor and a thermistor to measure the surrounding air and spit out a digital signal on the data pin. There is no analog input pin needed. Alright.
Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. So I hope we I hope lagi. We hope macam aku present. So thank you for watching this video guys. So we hope you can learn a new thing about the microcontroller and the sensor. So any questions you can write and comment down the video. So everything you can ask about the microcontroller and sensor.
Alright, thank you for watching. I really love you all for supporting us. Thank you again and I love you. Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Apa bodoh?